Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily use two Instagram accounts on Android. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to use two Instagram accounts on Android very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Instagram app icon and tap on your profile picture, which is located in the bottom right corner, and tap on your username, which is located in the top right corner, to log in into existing added accounts or to add another account. And here, if you tap on add Instagram account, then you'll be able to add another Instagram account. Or if you tap on another Instagram account, then you'll be able to log in into that account. Like this, not only two, you'll be able to use multiple Instagram accounts on your mobile phone. And if you double tap on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner, you'll be able to switch account very easily. Just like this, you'll be able to use two Instagram accounts in your mobile phone. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.